we have given complex fraction. First, we have to do operations in parentheses. So let's see what we have here. We have 1 plus x plus 1 over 2 minus x. So to add number and fraction, we need to have the same denominator. So I can change 1 to the fraction. Let me copy the beginning. This is our main fraction bar. We have 1 over x plus 1 over, and next I will change this 1 to fraction. I have to put only over 1, and now we have fraction x plus 1 over 2 minus x. To add these two fractions, I need to have the common denominator. So 1 times 2 minus x is 2 minus x will be common denominator, so I need to multiply 1 times 2 minus x. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So now we have to copy 1 over, we have x plus 1 over 1 times 2 minus x is 2 minus x over 2 minus x, and we have plus x plus 1 over 2 minus x. So this is equal, we have 1 over x plus 1 over the same denominators, so we copy the denominator and we have to add numerators. 2 minus x plus 1 we have. So this is equal 1 over x plus, we have 1 over negative x, positive x, so we can reduce. And we have 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 over 2 minus x. This is the main fraction for this, main fraction bar for this fraction. So next, this is equal, we have 1 over x plus, and we have 1, fraction bar means division. So we have 1, I've put in brackets, divide by 3 over 2 minus x, close brackets. So this is equal, first we have to do operation in brackets. First we have to do division. So we have to copy 1 over x plus, and now when we divide we have to change to multiplication and we have to flip the second fraction. This is like 1 over 1, so I don't have to change. This is 1 divided by 1 is still 1. So we have 1 times will be 2 minus x over 3 brackets. So this is equal 1 over x plus 1 times 2 minus x, it will be 2 minus x over 3. It doesn't change anything when I multiply fraction by 1. So this is equal, now we have to copy numerator and denominator to add this two expressions because we have fractions, so I have to change x to fractions, so it will be x over 1 plus 2 minus x over 3. So this is equal, we have 1 over the same denominator, we have 1 and 3, so the common denominator will be 3. I have to multiply 1 times 3, so whatever I did with denominator I have to do the same with numerator. So now we have x times 3 is 3x over 3 plus 2 minus x over 3. The same denominators, so we have to copy numerator. We have to copy now denominator and we have to add numerators. So we have 3x plus 2 minus x. So this is equal 1 over 3x minus x is 2x plus 2. So this is equal, main fraction bar, we have this. So this is division, 1 divided by 2x plus 2 over 3. So this is equal, we have to copy first expression when we have division fractions. because we can always put 1, that is 1 over 1, but still it is 1, so I just copy 1. We change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction, so it will be 3 over 2x plus 2. 1 times this whole fraction, so it will still be the same fraction. What else we can do? We can factorize 2 in the denominator, so 3 will copy, 2 will be times x plus 1. This is my solution.